Hey everyone, want to fix or change parts of your AI image? Today let me show you how to edit AI images with Playground's AI in Painting tool. Let's get started. First, go to playgroundai.com and open the image that you want to edit. Click on the In Painting option in the editor. Then after that, use your mouse to paint over the part that you want to change, for example, replacing the background or adding an object. Here you can also open your previews, design, and then here prompt or enter a new prompt. You can describe the change that you want to add or replace or edit it, and you need to be specific with your prompt. Then click generate, and here your selected area is transformed instantly. Save your edit and share it. And for more AI editing tips, don't forget to like and subscribe for this channel. Thanks for watching.